my first day of school today. We are Tuesday, January 14th, and I'm scared. I did not sleep well last night, which is why I'm having coffee. My cat is exploring, so if you hear anything, oh, your paws, are you okay? Anyways, I didn't sleep well, very anxious. I was tossing and turning for hours, kept waking up and going back to sleep. It's a new day, we're gonna start fresh. I have to make my bed, and then I can start like slowly getting ready. Don't know what time it is. Hey Google!
It's 9:56 a.m.
We're on time. Planning to leave at around 11ish because my first class is at 11:45, and I have to take lunch with me today because what's wrong? He has acquired a box that is too small for him. I can already feel the anxiety poopies forming in my belly. I'm gonna need to run to the bathroom soon. And I think drinking the coffee is not helping with the poopies, but it is helping with the energy. The energy is there. My sister's in the shower, and I need to shit. I want to do nothing too crazy. Simple basic base with a little bit of color. I literally have 10 minutes to get my clothes on. If you're wondering, I did get my anxiety shitties out. It's too high. I have 1 minute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put my socks on the machine and I gotta go. I'm back. I thought I would spare you guys some of the craziness, anxiousness, stupidness of my day today. There's a lot of reading, which, you know, kind of comes with the territory of majoring in English literature. I'm taking one of the required specific courses. I've been avoiding it last semester and the semester before. I took the one before. There's like 2 courses that are like specifically required. I did one of them and I almost died, and I was avoiding the second one last semester, but I can't really avoid it any longer. Beside the point is today, ooh, that first class gave me a heart attack. I took at the reading list, I took at the week, and how compact it is. And let me just tell you, let's just say these vlogs are just going to be me reading. I don't have such a life anymore. I'm being dramatic. Okay, anyways, since I want to be an academic weapon and keep up the streak of having good grades like last semester to this semester, because winter is hard, especially for, you know, bitches with depression. I put the books that I would like to get started on today. This one I want to read a little bit because we are going to talk about it tomorrow. Okay, I'm a sucker for judging a book by its cover, and let me tell you, this cover ate. It ate. Oxford Wood Classics, you always eat up covers. Anyways, I will let you know what this book is about. Yeah. Well, yellow, right? You can tell I'm holding on for dear life on a thread right now. Miguel licking my lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go now, or else you guys are gonna start thinking I'm weird. cold.